on creativity, sustainability, and community values and sustainable solutions that seamlessly blend functionality with exceptional services that promote innovation, craftsmanship, and reliability.
Fruitful discussion. I'm happy that Chief Minister joined us in the discussions with the Honourable Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment in the Government of India, Dr. Virendra Kumar, and after almost an hour-long discussion, we could convince him that one of the pending projects, the creation of a Centre for Disability Sport at Maukanu, New Shillong, will fructify soon. And he has given us this assurance that the project will indeed be funded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment.